So we're going to play, it's a tune that was composed by a Fermanagh musician. He was actually awarded a very prestigious title there. It was the Composer of the Year. TG Carr, the Irish Music Channel, it organises awards every year. And they honoured Jim McGrath from County Fermanagh with Composer of the Year. So he composed, this is one of his compositions, and it was, he named it after a fiddler, Mick Hoy, who was well known in the Fermanagh area and played in a particular unique style. So we're going to start off with that tune, and then we're going to move over to Donegal tune. It's a type of dance, actually, a German, that's the name of it, and it was a tune that Francie Mooney would have played, who would have been a well-known Donegal fiddler as well. So, tune.